Here's how to outline captions in Canva. Whenever you add captions to your video in Canva, by going to text here in the left sidebar and then click on captions here under dynamic text, by default your captions will have a background. Now if you want to outline your captions in Canva, then here's how you do it. First, left click on one of the captions, then on top go to effects. And on the left side, you will see that currently background here is enabled. If you look closely, you see this purple border around it, which means that background is the effect that currently is enabled. Now to change that to outline, all you need to do is to click here on outline, and just like that the background of your caption is actually gone and has been replaced with an outline. You can then easily change the outline color by simply clicking here on this color circle, and then at the bottom simply choose one of these solid colors right here. So for example, if you want to have a pink outline, we just click here on the pink color, and just like that our captions now have a pink outline. Now when you check your video, you will see that all captions in your video now have this outline. So these changes that you will do in effects always apply to all captions in your video. Now whenever you do a change like this in the effects panel, this will apply to all captions in your video. So now when I browse through my footage like this, you will see that all the captions in the video now have this pink outline. Obviously the captions in my video now are far too big. I just increased the font size considerably so that you guys can see it better. So let me just quickly fix that as well. I simply left click on my caption right here, and then I drag in one of the corners here to make it smaller. Let me also just reposition it for a second, probably something like that. Or maybe it's still too big, so I make it a little bit smaller and a little bit longer like this. I will just drag it down a bit, make sure it's centered, and that's it. Now all the captions will have this position and this size. And that's it guys. This is how you add an outline to captions in Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials.